Welcome everyone. If you're thinking about starting your own digital business and generating steady income online, you're in the right place. Today I'll be sharing with you 5 golden steps to building a successful digital business from scratch. Imagine turning your passion into a source of income and running your business from anywhere in the world. Believe me, it's easier than you think. Just follow these steps and you'll be on your way to success. Step 1. Choose the right idea. Don't start with just any idea. Choose something you're passionate about and know you can offer better than anyone else. Ask yourself, what is something I enjoy working on for hours? Once you find this, you're already on the right track. When you're passionate about what you do, success will come naturally. Step 2. Study the market and analyze your audience. Know exactly who your target audience is and what they need. What problems are they facing and how can you be the perfect solution? This will save you time and effort, making you connect with your audience from the start. The key is understanding their needs, not just what you want to offer. Step 3. Financial planning and setup. Every successful business needs a clear budget and a well-thought-out plan. Do you have a clear plan for where your income will come from and how to manage your expenses? Ensuring your finances are in order from the start will help you avoid surprises down the road. Step 4. Execution and launch. Now it's time to execute. This is where your ideas become a reality. Don't wait for everything to be perfect, just start. Whether you're launching a website or a digital product, remember that launching is just the beginning. After that, it's all about continuous improvement. Launch your product, listen to your customers, and improve based on their feedback. Step 5. Effective digital marketing. You could have the best product in the world, but without good marketing, no one will know about it. Use all the tools available like social media, email marketing, and even paid ads. But the most important thing is to be authentic. Engage with your audience and provide real value. Success in the digital business world doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of hard work, good planning, and persistence. If you're ready to start your digital business, leave me a comment below with your idea. And don't forget, success begins with one small step, so start now. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos on building successful digital businesses. See you in the next video.